Australian-based Incitec Pivot Fertilisers has been supplying Australian farmers with high-quality fertiliser for more than 100 years. And paired with our local expert agronomic advice, we've been helping farmers maximise the potential of their soil and their crop yields. We're Australia's largest manufacturer and distributor of fertilisers on the East Coast. We've got manufacturing plants at Phosphate Hill, Mount Isa, Gibson Island in Brisbane and Geelong in Victoria. Our vast regional distribution network delivers fertiliser to farmers all over Australia. From Tasmania to South Australia, Victoria, New South Wales, Queensland and the Northern Territory. Our end-to-end supply chain is at the heart of our local communities, employing hundreds of people across our wider distribution and dealer network and delivering nutrients to thousands of farmers across Australia. So whether it's sugarcane or tropical fruit in North Queensland, broadacre cropping in New South Wales or dairy pastures in Tasmania, Incitec Pivot Fertilisers manufactures and delivers the soil nutrients our farmers need.